Today we're going to talk about Apple Music in your new 911. Now, it's really quite nice. You can actually operate Apple Music in your vehicle without your mobile device. Let's show you how. Now, the first thing you're going to do is go to Media. You can go to it here from the main menu if you've configured that, or here on the PCM. Just select the Media button, and you would look across this little area here and see if your Apple Music is there. You can see it's right here. But if it is not there, all you have to do is select these three dots, and there you go, Apple Music. You can select that, and there'll be a QR code that pops up. On your mobile device, you'll pull up the camera app. You're going to hold it up to the screen and wait for this little yellow link at the bottom. Select it for me. Okay, the next thing that's going to pop up here is a sign-in request. So we're going to select sign in. It's using my Face ID because I already have this on my mobile device. And now there's an access request here. It's Porsche would like to access your Apple Music and basically allow you to play it in the vehicle without your mobile device. So we're going to select continue. And your Apple Music account has been successfully linked. That's awesome. Okay, we're going to move from the mobile device here to your PCM, and you saw that this was actually just populated here. There's a wide variety of things that you can choose from, very similar to what you can find on your mobile device. Like if we selected home here, it's going to go through recently played, top picks, some of the types of music that I've been listening to. If we go here to radio, it's going to play your radio there. You can go to your library and see any kind of things, like if you have a playlist here, all of your playlists will show. You also have artists as well, and so quite a few artists you have to view from there. You also have albums, and you can choose some of the albums that you may have recently downloaded or listened to as well. So let's go back here. Here at the bottom, we have Featured by Porsche. This is quite unique. You can select this, and here we go. We've got a number of different playlists that have been curated specifically by Porsche for you to enhance your driving experience. You have Exhilarate, Timeless, Unwind, Sunset Drive, Through the Years, which is really quite good, City Flow for when you're stuck in traffic, or Highway Cruise for maybe a long journey. You now can enjoy all of the features and functions in Apple Music in your new 911.